Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing these chargers made by Fatorm. Now this one over here, this is probably around $20 on Amazon. Unfortunately, the Amazon link, it actually just says that the product is currently unavailable. I'm expecting this to be around 20 bucks. This one here is $30, and then this one is $20. Again, you can find these all on Amazon. Links will be down below this video if you want to go pick any of these up. So let's go ahead and just get into unboxing them. All right, so let's go ahead and open this one here. Looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C to lightning cable, and then a normal USB to lightning cable right here, along with a charging brick. And as you can see right here, flip it around, you can see all the information right there in case you're interested. And there is the Amazon label. So let's go and open this thing up. This tape is actually already peeling a little bit. Let's go and take it out here. And there are the chargers right there. And then we also have the charging brick right here. Looks pretty nice. Set that over here. This, what is this? It almost looks like a, maybe a little cable separator type of thing, a little organizer. That's pretty cool. And here is the charging cables, normal USB to lightning, USB-C to lightning right there. And then this should be USB-C to USB-C, and it is. So there's that one. Looks like we also have a little, maybe a Velcro strap here. That's what it looks like. Pretty cool. All right, let's open this one here. This has two charging bricks along with two cords here, USB-C to lightning. As you can see right there. Show you guys the back here. Charger specifications along with the Amazon label right there. Of course, feel free to go ahead and pause the video here to check out any of this information. Let's go and open this one here. Peel the tape off. Actually, we'll just cut it. Let's get the knife in there. There we go. Let's pull it out here. So there is the two charging bricks. I can get them out here. Here's one, USB-C. The other one is identical, obviously. And then here is the charging cables. Very long. And so far, charging cables on both of these so far that I've opened, they seem good. From what I could tell, look pretty nice. And I think we also have something else in the box here. And we do. Looks like, okay, just a little information card. So there's that one. Let's go and move on to this one here. All right, so this one here is simply a USB-C lightning cable. You can see it is a 3-pack right there. Show the back. There it is. That's what it's made for. And there is the Amazon label right there. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Looks like, again, the tape is already peeling. And it's going to take out all the chargers here. Looks like they're in their own little separate bags, maybe. Huh, check that out. That's pretty cool. And in the bottom, just another information card. And here they are. Very, very long. And pretty much they really just look like the other chargers. You can see they look practically identical. So yeah, there it is. Pretty cool. So I guess what I'll go and do is probably review this one here. The charging brick and the different USB cords. So let's go and get into it. All right, so here we have two of the chargers here, and I actually went ahead and charged my phone a little bit with both of them. It's an iPhone XS Max, in case you are wondering. And I use an app called Amperaze 4. It's on the App Store, and basically what it tells you is the amount of, I believe, the amps or watts going into the phone to charge it, and then it also gives you a score. Now in this case, the one here on the left, I, by the way, am using the USB-C charging port right here, of course, to lightning, and that went ahead and gave me a score of 2800 at 14.2 watts. And then this one on the right here, by the way, also using, of course, USB-C. That's the only port on this one here, to lightning. I got a score of 1900 at 9.6 watts or amps. Overall, that's actually pretty good. I believe this one here on the left is, it pretty much, I believe, makes a better score than average. I don't think I've ever seen it this high. So this one on the left here charges your phone pretty darn fast. And then this one on the right performs a little worse. However, it's still pretty fast in my opinion. So there it is. All right, and to charge 1% of my battery on my phone here on the left, this one charged 1% in 40 seconds. And then this one here, I believe charged it in 60 seconds. I believe it was actually 59 seconds. So yeah, this one is definitely a good bit faster than this one here on the right. All right, so there it was, a quick unboxing and review on these 3 chargers here. Now, starting on the left here, this is, again, in this case, I was using the USB-C to Lightning cable along with the fast charge power brick right here. And it's working great so far. I wish I knew the price on it, but again, it's not available on Amazon, so I'm really not sure. However, this thing is working great so far. And of course, it comes with 3 other cables, which is pretty cool. This one here, again, it has a power brick, USB-C to Lightning here, has 2 of those cables and 2 of the power bricks. And it's also working good. It is a decent amount slower though than the one here on the left. So if you have a choice between these 2, probably go with this one here. Unless you want to go probably the cheaper route, which is this one. It just doesn't work as fast as this one here. And then also these cables here. Again, this is 3 Lightning cables here to USB-C, or USB-C to Lightning rather. And these are extremely long. And I tried it out off camera, actually plugged it up to this power brick here, and it of course worked just fine. It's just a basic cable. Now for the cables, they're all built the same from what I could tell, they're just different length. And they seem actually pretty all right. They're pretty basic cables, but they do seem decently well built. As you can see right there, it's pretty nice, tug on it, it's not just gonna pull apart. So there it is, pretty cool. So overall, all these cables, again, so far they're working fine so far. Really only time would tell, but so far I'm pretty happy with them. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.